Okay guys, welcome back to Linda's Pantry, and look what I've got. The first baby is here. Oh, and it's a little girl. She's gonna be dark, dark, dark with ticking, but she's got a big dark saddle. And she's cute. It took Mama about 15 minutes to deliver this baby. And she did good, huh, Shotzy? I'm not taking her. I give her back. And so we're waiting for the rest of the crew to show up. And yes, I know. It's okay. She loves that baby girl. Oh. Anyways, Shotzy is doing really good. And we're excited. So we're having our second set of contractions about a half hour after she gave birth to the first little girl. She's gonna get with it here in a minute. I'm the catcher. Good girl, Mama, good girl. She's doing great. You're doing good. Who's next? And I put the baby in the basket next to the whelping box here, so it's out of her way. And she already nursed. That's what she hears. It's okay. It's all right. That's baby. That's little girl. I got your baby. It's okay, Mama. Push. There you go. Yeah. I know it. Good girl. Oh, your belly's so hard. I know. Squeakers. It's okay. It's okay, Mama. It's all right.
Right there.
It's okay.
Head's out
One more
anyway.
push. Yeah. The head out. Oh, maybe
Paw
not.
right there.
No, it's breech.
Oh,
Yep.
yep.
One more push.
Oh, Shotzy. Push. There we go.
No, I don't want. I can't pull on it. She's gotta push one more time. There we go. Come on, little Betty.
Come on.
It's a white one, all right. There we
Oh,
go.
there we go.
Okay, you
Yeah.
got it. A little breech puppy, but whew. Yeah.
Close one there, man.
Clean that baby up.
Oh, yeah. Look at that one.
Wow.
Nice.
Oh,
You got a lot of white on him.
yeah.
You have all white puppies this time, Shotzy do?
Another one's on the ground. Mama's cleaning that
Oh,
baby.
man. Look
Aw.
at that one. Just got one black patch on its back.
She won't let me see. She's like, that's my baby. Oh, it looks like her.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm letting her do as much as she wants to. But I want to get this puppy stimulated. Oh, Shotzy. Oh. She's still way. She's got to push. She's still connected. There we go. At least the baby's moving.
Back out there. I want it in there.
Okay, so we're cleaning. She's got to push a little more. I don't know what it is. What is it?
You got another one back to back?
What is it? It's a boy.
It's a boy.
It's a boy. No white on his head. And you can tell when they're first born because the ticking that's underneath their hair coat is, you know, the hair is all wet, so you can see how freckly they're going to be. This one's going to be pretty white. There's no freckling. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, no freckling on this one. Are you loose yet? Yet? No? Oh. Hi, baby.
Oh.
I got your cord cut. Oh, look at that baby.
Oh.
Oh my goodness. A little squirm bucket. Oh. Oh my goodness. Yep, little boy. That's a little boy. Hi, little one.
How's his face? Is it all solid?
He's got a chin. He's got a little chin dot. Oh, look how white he's gonna be.
Yeah.
Wow, no ticking on this one. What these spots are what he's gonna have. He's got a marking back on his tail like Daddy. Huh. Okay, number 2, I think. Take. I'll bring. I don't know. 5. Puppy number 3 is almost here. There you go. Good girl. Good push. Good girl. Oh, I know it. You want me to love you? Oh, yes, I do love you. Oh, Jesus, you guys. This is not what I had planned for today. Come on, Mama. I guess we'll bring you back when we've got one to show you. Look, here it comes. Here it comes. We spoke too soon. Okay. Speed again.
Let me get these babies out here.
Okay. It's breached. There we go. Okay. Okay. Oh, there we go. Get that sack on there, baby. Come on. Oh, you were breached too. 2 of them. Oh, look at that. Oh, beautiful.
Ticking.
Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Baby. And a strip on the face.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, goodness. Oh, that one came out. The whole shebang. Hold on.
What?
Shotzy. Well, just sending everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look at you. Who are you, pretty thing? It's a little girl.
Wow.
Look at that.
Another girl.
2 girlies and a pretty one. Look at. Oh, she's beautiful.
Wow. Got it.
Okay.
Let me see the face.
That might be why she's taken so long, because they're coming out with breech. It's a little harder to get them in the birth canal. So hopefully the next ones she presents are the right direction. Oh, look at her. She's going to have an all dark, well, the underside of her tail is white. But look at that. Super cute. She'll have some ticking. For sure. Oh, babies. Oh, goodness. Okay, 3. Phew. In 2 hours from the time she started labor. So that's pretty good. It's really good, actually. Yes. Oh, goodness. Look at that baby face. Look at that baby face. Oh, look at. They're so little. Oh, look at how cute. Oh,
That's awesome.
super.
She's gonna be pretty cute.
She's gonna be adorable.
Yeah.
does. Oh my goodness. I know it. It's tough being a kid. Getting out here in the wide world.
That's so fucking cute.
Isn't that cute?
Yeah, she just like, Bleh.
I know. Okay, so puppy number 4 and number 2 boy is here, and one of our very best friends wants a puppy out of this litter, but his specifications was that he wanted the dark head and a solid white body. That doesn't happen very often, and he hunts with Shotzy a lot. Anyways, guess what she gave us? Look at this. Hold on. He's so cute. Look at this little boy. He's got a strip on his face, and he's got no color on his body. Even his skin is probably not gonna, he's probably not gonna tick. He looks all pink. He's a pinky doodle. Oh, Pinky. Oh, he's so cute. And honestly, I saw her push once and out he was. So she's doing awesome. Anyways, guys, we'll bring you back in for number 5. Okay, guys, so we've got 6 here, 4 girls, 2 boys so far. And I can feel at least 3 more just on the surface. So she's got some more doings to do, but she's being such a good mommy. She just is pushing them out, no problem, no panting, no stressing, and taking care of them. Look at this little boy. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's attached. I better not. He's solid white with his dark head and a strip on his face. Is this the other little boy? Oh, yeah, it's the little boy. Oh, look at this guy. He's so cute. Little solid face. Hi, buddy. Hi. Oh, they're so adorable. So, for those of you that are new to German Shorthairs, they are born with all this white and they spot out later, and you can tell when they're first born and they're wet if they're going to tick, and get this freckling. That's called ticking. Anyways, the solid white boy, he's as pink as pink. And there's another white one in here that's really pink. This guy, he's really pink. So he'll stay pretty solid like he is. But the other dark ones, oh, look at you. The other dark ones have some ticking going on in between their patches. So I'm just gonna let her rest, and when I hear her kind of getting restless again, we'll come help her out. Anyway, it's been really awesome to have it. So it's taken her from starting of the first pushing contractions about 3.5 hours. So not too bad. She's clicking right along. All right, guys. Okay, here comes number 7.
Here it comes.
Here it comes. Okay. Good girl. There we go. Baby, ooh, head first.
Oh, good.
Yeah, good girl. Oh, it's a big one. It's a big one. Here comes those shoulders. Good puppy. Good babies. Oh, it's a ticked.
Yeah?
Come on.
It's okay, Shotzy.
Yeah. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Come on. Oh, get that. Oh, there you go. Oh. Push, push. Push, push. She needs to push a little. That umbilical cord out of there. Come on. There we go.
Good girl. Good girl. Look at all them
Oh, it's a girl.
ticks.
It's a girl. It's a girl. It's a girl.
Yeah.
It's a little girl. Look at that ticked up girl. Look at that baby. Oh, come on. Let's get her rubbed down. Look at, ooh, she's a purty. Yeah, you did good. Oh, she's got a little spit on her face. Okay, guys, so we have, and I'm pretty sure, I'm 99% sure she's done. We have 9 babies. I would have said she was gonna have 11 or 12 by how big she was, but part of that is she went 4 days, 4 days longer this time, And seriously, every day they just look bigger and bigger. So, because these are big, healthy puppies. We do have one little runt. This isn't her, but this is number one. Oh, she's so cute. A little girl. These are dark liver and white. And, it's a puppy deuce. And we've never had one that's all white on the body like this guy. No patching. He doesn't look like he's going to have any ticking. You can tell that when they're wet. She's a good mommy dog. Yeah. So 9 babies. 5 girls, 4 boys. And we're excited. She's a good mama. She had no problem. She barely even panted. It took her about 7.5 hours to get through this process. And once she's all settled and everybody's had a snooze and they're done griping about it, because they're all whining, then I'll pull this bedding out of here, or this, the sheets and towels and stuff that were here to absorb the mess. And then she'll just be on carpet, because baby dogs can get wound up in a sheet and suffocate. So they just scoot around on carpet. This 2x4 is 3 inches off the ground, so they can scoot behind her if she lays up against the wall. She can't smash them, and they can navigate. Huh, mommy dog? Oh, good girl. You're a good girl. She's an awesome dog. She's an awesome girl, huh? Yes, her beautiful babies. Lots of color in this litter. So guys, if you're out there looking for a German short hair that's a great hunter, you can contact me. We do have some that are already spoken for, but look at, I don't know if you guys can see that. I really can't tell what you can see and what you can't see, but I will bring you plenty of puppy videos along the way. And Shotzy said, I need a nap. It's been a long day. Yeah, it's been a long day, huh? Yes. Oh, my girl. These guys are so cute. All right. Can't wait to see you next time for another puppy update. Puppies! Oh my goodness. I love them puppy dogs. Baby dogs are the best. Oh.